All right, guys, so it seems like some of us are having some issues with just being familiar with Canvas. So I want to show you guys how to get there, where to go, all these things. So when you log into PowerSchool, which you should be familiar with, we do this often, this is where you go to check your grades. This is where we go to take tests. You should know how to get to this page. We're going to click on Canvas. I was going to open a new tab. Here's Canvas. So when you click on it, this is where it takes you. So you should have a bunch of different classes. All the classes that you're in should be right here. So click on Math 1 because that's the one that we need to look at. And then I'm going to put it into student view. So this is what you guys see. On my end, it's a little bit different, but this is what you should have on your screen. So when you're at home, that should be where you see all the modules. So this is where everything is that you need. We're done with Unit 4, so I'm going to minimize that because I don't want to look at it anymore. Yesterday, we should have done all this 5-1 stuff. So a good thing to do, I think, is to just start at the beginning and click on it. That's going to take you to the page here. Now, if you did not get a printed copy of stuff, this is where you will get all your resources. So right here, it says, here's your graphic organizer. So if I click on that, it's going to download, and then I can open that up. I can print it, do whatever you need. And then same thing with the notes that are right there. And then there's a video below it. There it is. And this is the video you'll need to watch to get those notes in the graphic organizer filled in. My computer's running a little slow right now, but it'll get there. Video, you can click play right here, and that'll get you through everything you need for the graphic organizer and the notes. So once you're done with that, at the bottom of this page, if you click next, it's going to take us to your homework. So you've got the option to download it right here if you want, or it's all right here. So if you don't want to print stuff, you can just write down all the problems like on notebook paper and do your work that way. Doesn't matter, do whatever's best for you. So it's right there, and then if we scroll down to the bottom again, you see how there's the next button. So I'm going to click that. So this is leading you step by step exactly what you need to do every day. And this is going to take us to where you turn that homework in. So I showed you guys a video yesterday of Mr. Sievers showing you how to like scan your work and save it, and then this is where you would upload it. So you can just click submit assignment. I don't know if it's going to let me do this because I'm not actually a student, but yeah. So here you go. We can choose a file, so we can upload whatever we want there. Just make sure that it's like a PDF or a JPEG or HTML. I think that was all specified earlier. So anyways, you could pick whatever file you want to put in there. I'm not going to actually upload anything because I don't need to. When you've got it, you'll hit submit. And then when you're all done there, it's not going to let me do it, but that's okay. We'll hit next again. So this is where we need to be for today's lesson. So again, we've got our notes up here and our vocabulary. This stuff should also be in that printed packet that you got, but if you need to download it and print it, there it is. And there's your video that's going to go through everything you need for this lesson. When you're done with that, hit next again. So I tried to make this as easy as possible so that it's just very straightforward. This is what you do. This is the order you do it in. Again, here are the notes, the 5-3 notes you need for today. You can click and download there. And here's the video that goes through those notes, so watch that to get them filled in. When you're done, click next again. And then it takes you to your homework page. So this is the homework that I need turned in. You've got a ton of time to do it, so don't stress about that part. Again, if you want to, you can just copy down the problems on notebook paper. You don't have to print this if you don't want. Or you can get it from our printed packet. So there are all your problems. When you're done, hit next. And this is taking us where we need to turn it in. See, it says 5-3 homework turn in. This is where you submit your assignment. So again, you'll click submit, you'll upload your file and turn it in, and that's it.